Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can locally install this most not safe for work or NSFW model locally on your system. This model is OPT 13B Erebus. Erebus is a word from Greek mythology which means darkness or Shinen. Before I proceed with this model, a word of caution or warning as mentioned in the model card at Hugging Face that this model is not suitable for use by minors. The model will output X-rated content. So of course it will depend upon your prompt too as how you proceed. But as this is a very highly uncensored model, so you need to tread with caution. This video is only for educational purposes, so please don't use it in the production environment for your work because I don't think so that will sit well. Anyway, if you're looking for a good smaller model to write stories and stuff with and also add some spice in it, then I would suggest that you go with this Erebus model. This model is simply just out of control. It could get out of control very easily, so make sure that you are in a safe place and you exercise your caution. So I have tried it out in various settings, and even this Cobalt AI has released various other models even before this AI Llama stuff, and they were not as intelligent as Llama, but still they were very interesting. So let's see how this model works. Let's get it installed locally. I'll be using my trusted Ubuntu server, which is Ubuntu 2022.4, and in order to use it you would need to install transformer library, so make sure that you have installed it. And in order to do that, all you need to do is to do pip install transformers. I already have installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. Let me fire up my Python interpreter. Let me import the pipeline from the transformers library. Shouldn't take too long. That's done. And now let's download the model with the generator, and the command of doing it is very simple. All we need to do is to use pipeline function and then use this OPT 13 billion, and it is going to download the model, which is around 25 gig of size, so that will take bit of a time, so make sure that you have that much space in your system. So I will just wait for it to finish downloading, and then we will use the generator function to generate the responses. So you can see that model has almost downloaded, and if you look at the ETA, it has taken me around half an hour to download this model, which is around 25.7 gig. I'm just a bit wary of the fact that it might uh, give me an error of out of memory because I have just one GPU of 16 GB of VRAM, but let's see how it goes in the pipeline. So it is almost done, as you can see. So even if it doesn't work, I could at least you know that how to get it installed. And then in order to do the inference, there is one more command which you need to do, which I will also show you. Anyway, let's see. Let's cross our fingers to see how it goes. So it is 100% done, and then this is the moment of truth in the pipeline when it is loading it. Let's wait for it to come back. There you go, it says killed. So it failed here. My apologies. So I don't think so it is going to do, but anyway, let me try one more time to see if it works, or maybe I'll show you the last command. So anyway, if you have the beefy GPU, all you need to do is to run this command. Let me paste it here for you. So just say generator and then in the brackets your prompt, so you can put anything here, howdy or anything, and then it will generate the prompt for you. Let me try to fire up my Python interpreter again and see if I'm able to run it. And but if it starts downloading it again, then it will be a problem. But let's see if it tries to pick up where it left earlier. That will be quicker. Let's wait for it to come back. So you can see that it is stuck there for a long time now, so I'm not going to wait on it anymore. So anyway, but now you know which one is a most NSFW model, and you can even just look at it from this training data set which it has been trained on. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, or if you already have used it, or if you can use it in your environment, let me know. Happy to hear about your thoughts. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network. Thanks for watching.